Agenda ng US sa pagpapanatili ng mga EDSA sites sa bansa. Ulat mula kay Chris Lucas. Chris, magandang umaga.
Inilantad ng political analyst at international relations scholar na si Sas Rogando Sasot ang anyay tunay na agenda ng Estados Unidos sa pagpapanatili ng mga Enhanced Defense of Cooperation Agreement o EDCA sa bansa. Ayon kay Sasot, ang pangmatagalang hangarin ng Estados Unidos ay pigilan ang unification ng mainland China at ng Taiwan.
The long-term goal of the U.S. is to prevent the unification of Taiwan with the Chinese mainland. The real agenda of the United States is to keep the Philippine leg of its theater of war against China. The Philippines is the nearest state to Taiwan, and from which the U.S. can also launch attacks to Chinese cities. But it is not only the reason why they're keeping EDCA bases in the Philippines, especially across Taiwan. The United States is also planning for a contingency on where leaders of the Taiwan province would actually escape if ever mainland China would assert territorial control. And the Philippines, in that case, would serve as an exit strategy of leaders of Taiwan. That's why, they're putting EDCA bases near Taiwan.
Dagdag pa ni Sasot upang ma-justify ang military presence ng Estados Unidos sa Pilipinas, pinapanatili ika nito na nasa krisis o critical na kalagayan ang relasyon ng China at ng Pilipinas.
To justify its massive military presence in the Philippines, the United States has to make sure that Philippine and China relations will remain in permanent crisis. It is never in the U.S. agenda for China and the Philippines to pursue a compromise solution. It is only by keeping China as a permanent threat to the Philippines that the United States can fulfill its long-term goal of having long-term presence in Philippine territory for the purpose of preventing the unification of Taiwan and the mainland.
Sa kasalukuyan ay mayroong 9 na opisyal na mga EDCA sites sa bansa. Ang mga EDCA sites ay mga maliliit na base militar ng Estados Unidos na matatagpuan karamihan sa mga kampo militar at iba pang mga estratehikong lugar sa Pilipinas. Ako, si Chris Lucas nag-uulat para sa DZRJ 810 AM ang Radyo Bandido TV. Kasama mo sa pagtatanggol ng demokrasya.